Clever Fox Appointment Book is an effective planning tool for anyone with a busy agenda. Featuring comprehensive time-blocking layouts, it's perfect for tracking multiple daily appointments and taking care of your work, business, and personal life at the same time. This planner comes in a large format and measures 8.3 by 11 inches, providing lots of writing space to record every detail. It features a durable vegan leather hardcover, a pen loop, an elastic band, thick 120 GSM bleed-resistant paper, 3 ribbon bookmarks, and a storage pocket for loose notes and contact cards. This appointment book has plenty of pages to last a whole year, and thanks to undated layouts, you can start planning anytime and take a break without wasting pages. At the front of the book, you will find a pre-printed contacts list to store helpful contact details and a comprehensive calendar and holiday dates for the next 3 years. Having these at hand will help you plan easily and avoid wasting time searching for extra information. Following are 12 spacious calendars for planning tasks, appointments, and deadlines for the month ahead. Here, you can also set your main monthly goal and priorities and add to-dos and other notes. This way, you can plan your agenda well in advance and ensure you forget nothing important. Comprehensive weekly pages feature convenient 15-minute slots that run from 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Using these, you can plan your life in detail and easily track your appointments, to-dos, and other engagements. On the left, you can record your weekly goal and priorities and add to-dos and extra notes. Such a detailed layout is perfect for small business owners, freelancers, or other busy professionals. Inside, you will also find 7 sheets of colorful stickers for planning, highlighting, and decorating your appointment book. You can use these to mark important dates, urgent due dates or tasks, meetings, paydays, and anything else that requires your attention. We hope this appointment book will help streamline your planning routine and manage your time effectively all year round. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.